And we're back with the Beaufort News. We have Dr. Marie Gibbs with us now. She is a docent, which means she's a teacher, she's a lecturer with the Penn Center. So it's so great to have you, Dr. Gibbs. I know we're going to be talking specifically about this big Heritage Festival, Heritage Open House, Day Tour. But first of all, tell us a little bit about the Penn Center.
Penn Center is a National Historical Landmark District centered on St. Helena's Island, South Carolina. At Penn Center, we preserve and protect the history and culture of the Sea Island Gullah people in our museum and on our campus.
And so on October the 16th, you're going to basically have this huge open house. We're calling it the Heritage Harvest Day Tour Open House. So you'll be open from 10 to 4 and lots going on the property, just a way to just welcome folks in and learn more about the different houses and what's going on at Penn Center. So tell us a little bit about it.
On Saturday, October 16th, we're going to have the Penn Center Heritage Harvest Day Tour. That gives the people in the community and outside the chance to come out and see and learn about Penn School's history. It's been a long time since we had an event there due to COVID. So on this day, we will have an open house. The tickets are $25. You'll have a chance to enter 5 buildings on campus. With that 5 buildings, you'll have a tour guide that takes you through the building. And at each building, we'll have a historian telling you history of that building and an artist sitting on the porch painting something significant about Penn Center or the Gullah people history. Live demonstration. We'll also have arts, crafts, live seafood sale, and an open farmers market. We'll also have performers with Stan Days, our very own native son, and Eric Jackson, who is a live historian who will do a live demonstration, take the history. So that's some of the things we're going to do that day.
Dr. Gibbs, it's so good to have folks come back, and I know you all have been very sensitive to COVID, so you're actually going to have a vaccine opportunity for people to get a vaccine there, and you are asking everyone, even though they'll be out and about and outside mostly, of course they'll go into the various houses and buildings, to wear a mask, right?
Yes. We will have a Beaufort Jasper comprehensive vaccine clinic there. Of course, EMS, Sheriff Department, everyone be there. And we'll have also voter registration that day too. Doing the whole shebang that day. Getting everyone out, register to vote, and make sure they're vaccinated.
I like that actually the kind of the slogan or the theme for the day is celebrating home, our people, and our culture. Why is that so important?
Because we always look at home. After the pandemic came, we thought about a theme, and we are very grateful after the pandemic. We're still here, so why not celebrate our home, our people, and our culture? And what a great way to do it.
So
with this event.
Dr. Gibbs, we have about a minute left. Tell us a little bit about your background and why you're involved with the Penn Center as a docent.
I started volunteering at Penn Center. I've been volunteering back in the 70s. And from that, I'm a retired educator, actually, taught in the Beaufort County School District for over 33 years. And I co-chair and chair the Heritage Festivities, Heritage Days Festival. And now I'm doing this. I'm coming full circle. This Penn Center is a community hub. I played there as a child growing up. It's just like coming home and giving back. That's what it is up to me. So this is home, and this is our community hub.
Very, very good. So the Heritage Harvest Day Tour, again, is on October the 16th, 10 to 4. Tickets, where can folks get tickets, or can they just show up?
We're gonna have a ticket booth. We're selling tickets at the ticket booth. You can also buy your tickets early, and with that too, we have lunch boxes. We'll be serving lunch boxes at $10. The tickets are $25. So come out and have a great time.
What a day of celebration. Dr. Mary Gibbs, thank you for your service and your leadership with this event. Thank you so much.
Thank you too for having me today.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Gibbs.
Have a great day.
Yes, you too. Bye-bye. And we'll be right back with Kelly Tricoli with the Junior Service League of Beaufort. Don't go away.